Welcome back to CountyLine TV. Big news, we're hosting drift events. Link below will be where you can register for these events. If you're new to the channel, because of us hosting drift events, please go ahead and subscribe. If you follow me on social media, you already knew we're doing this probably. But we're just gonna go over a couple things today. I'm sitting here editing this and I just want to preface this by saying I am really excited, but in this video I'm so nervous you can't tell it at all. This is a very nerve-wracking process, hosting our very first drift events. Myself and Ryan from Elevated Concepts are really trying to get this organized in a fashion that it will run smoothly and be a good, atmosphere that everyone enjoys coming to. So I'm sorry if I sound kind of dull in this video, but I am just nervous about everything. So here's the video. First thing we're going to go over is going to be just basic tech, and the tech is just going to be super basic, like a lot of other drift events. Fire extinguisher, because cars catch on fire, unfortunately. Make sure your battery's tied down, your positive terminal's covered, make sure nothing's leaking, make sure your car is not a piece of crap and like the seats mounted down and stuff like that. Other than that, pretty basic stuff. If you have any questions, put them in the link in the comments below. Also, link below will be where you can register for these events. And if you have any questions about anything that I covered or didn't cover, just put it in the comments below and I'll get an answer for you. Next thing we'll go over is the driver requirements and rules and stuff. Helmet, closed-toe shoes, long pants, short-sleeve shirt at least. And then don't do burnouts, don't do pulls when you're not on track. Just stay on the track surface. If you're gonna do stupid stuff, don't do stupid stuff elsewhere or you'll get us kicked out and we'll all be unhappy. Make sure you use trash cans and don't leave tires laying around. I don't want to bring your tires home, and if you don't use the trash cans, then I have to come around and clean up after you. It's not ideal. And we did put a rule on here. I'll put it on the screen. Have fun. That's the whole reason we're doing these events. We're not doing these events for our wallets. We're not doing these events to make money. We're doing these events for drifting. We're trying to have just a super chill grassroots organization that is cheap for you guys to come and attend. So we are starting out with these events at $70, and then we're gonna try to get that lower if we can. Trust me, we'll try, because we're not doing this for us, we're doing this for drifting. And the reason that we're doing it at 70 now, when we originally told you guys 75, is they are going to be taking $5 per car at the gate, but that doesn't go to us, that is their parking fee. The Marion County Fairgrounds, who has welcomed us with open arms, and we're super grateful for that. They have a parking fee. So that doesn't go to us though. We're not trying to double charge you guys or anything. Speaking of Marion County Fairgrounds, I'll go ahead and put that on the screen right here, and we'll go over some things about that. First things first, if you Google Maps Marion County Fairgrounds, it'll take you down here somewhere, and the gate that's open that you have to use is over here on Fisher Road. It's gate number 4, I believe. So make sure you go there, and right there is where they'll be taking their $5, and probably where we'll be checking you guys in that have pre-registered and taking the payment for the spectators and stuff that are there without pre-registering, which those guys don't have to pre-register, obviously. So that's where that will be, and then the drivers meeting will probably be somewhere right around this building here, and we'll be drifting out in here on this surface, and some of the lanes going up to it are wide enough that we could use them for layouts. We haven't really set a layout for sure. I've got a couple of really good ideas, but some of you guys that have been drifting a while and myself will do a little bit of testing early that day, and we'll pick something to use for the rest of the day. So that's kind of all I can think of off the top of my head right now. There are some things that I don't know right now. I don't know when we'll be starting that day. I don't know what time we'll open the gates and start drifting and stuff. I'll get that to you guys as soon as possible. And then I'm also not sure what time we'll be ending the event, so I'm not sure exactly how long we'll be drifting, but I will get that info out to you guys as soon as possible. Again, if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'll make another video and we'll get all your questions answered if I can. Hopefully less than 2 weeks, I'll have a start and stop time and all that stuff for you guys. So let me know if you got any questions, comments.